Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a clean with me video here in our master bedroom. I haven't done a clean with me video in a while, so I'm kind of excited to do one, and this room really needs it, so stick around and hang out. So the very first thing I always like to make sure I do is completely make the bed. I just feel so much better about the entire room once the bed is made. It just feels so much cleaner. And then just shutting the closet doors. That's Nate's closet, and both of our closets need organizing right now, but I am just trying to get this room tidied up, so just getting it back in there and getting the door shut, that's all that matters. And now I'm just tidying up my bedside table a little bit and putting some essential oils in my essential oil diffuser. Okay, please, someone tell me that this happens at their house. Like, to Nate's defense, he doesn't have a nightstand, but I think there might be more water bottles on it if he did. I can't say that I am completely blameless though. That happens on my side of the bed, but I just thought this stash over here was kind of funny. Guys, I'm gonna go bald. Holy cow. This is just from today. Maybe one other time. My hair's falling out. And here I am organizing my vanity table a little bit. I really need to go through everything. I have a lot of makeup that needs to go, but for now I am just picking up some of the jewelry and makeup that I've left out. I'm a little bit ashamed to say how long this clean laundry has been sitting in this chair, but I'm finally getting it folded and put away. It's mostly blankets and sheets and things like that that I finally washed that just need to be put in the closet. So I'm finally getting that done. have everything picked up a little bit, I'm just going to wipe down all of the surfaces in the bedroom. I am using the Method wood surface cleaner on my dresser. It smells amazing. I've talked about it before. It smells like almond extract, and that is literally my favorite scent and flavor. Like, I want to drink this stuff. It smells so good. And you may or may not notice that I'm just using a washcloth to wipe everything down. I lost all my microfiber cloths that I love so much. I have no idea where they've gone, so I'm just using a regular old washcloth. It works fine. And then you'll notice that I used it on the dresser, my side table, and now I'm using it here on the plant stand. I'm wiping down my vanity table with the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner in lavender. This is my favorite glass cleaner. I have both the Method and the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner, and the Mrs. Meyer's one is my favorite.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.